Welcome back to Turbo Driver. Today we're taking a detailed look at the incredible 2027 RAM Motorhome, a luxury recreational vehicle that combines the toughness of a Ram truck with the comfort of a premium home on wheels. If you've been dreaming about traveling without sacrificing comfort, this futuristic motorhome could be one of the most exciting RV concepts to watch. Let's explore everything from its bold exterior and luxurious interior to its performance, technology, and expected pricing. The first thing you'll notice about the 2027 RAM Motorhome is its commanding road presence. Built on a heavy-duty Ram platform, this motorhome features a rugged yet modern design with a bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and an aerodynamic body that improves efficiency while giving it a premium appearance. Large panoramic windows provide stunning views and allow natural light to fill the cabin. Stylish alloy wheels, integrated side steps, power awnings, and multiple exterior storage compartments make it both attractive and highly practical. The body is expected to use lightweight composite materials for improved durability while reducing overall weight, making long-distance travel more efficient. Moving inside, the 2027 RAM Motorhome offers a luxurious cabin that feels more like a high-end apartment than a traditional RV. Premium leather seating, soft touch materials, elegant wood-style trim, and ambient LED lighting create a warm and inviting atmosphere. The driver's cockpit features a large, fully digital instrument cluster paired with a massive touchscreen infotainment system supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Voice controls, built-in navigation, and a premium surround sound system make every journey enjoyable. The living area is designed to maximize comfort and functionality. A spacious lounge includes plush reclining seats and a convertible dinette that can easily transform into an additional sleeping area. Large windows provide beautiful panoramic views, while blackout shades offer privacy whenever needed. Climate control systems ensure comfortable temperatures regardless of the weather outside. The kitchen is equipped with everything needed for extended adventures. It includes a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection microwave, stainless steel sink, generous countertop space, and plenty of storage cabinets for food and cooking essentials. Premium finishes give the kitchen a modern residential feel, making meal preparation convenient whether you're parked at a campsite or traveling across the country. The sleeping area continues the luxury theme with a comfortable queen-size bed, high-quality mattress, overhead storage, bedside USB charging ports, reading lights, and large wardrobes for clothing. Depending on the floor plan, some versions may also include bunk beds or a drop-down overhead bed, allowing the motorhome to comfortably accommodate up to 6 people. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a separate shower enclosure, modern vanity, porcelain toilet, mirrored medicine cabinet, and efficient water-saving fixtures. High-quality ventilation keeps the space fresh and comfortable during long trips. Technology plays a major role throughout the 2027 RAM Motorhome. Smart home controls allow owners to manage lighting, air conditioning, water systems, battery levels, and security directly from a touchscreen or smartphone app. Solar panels paired with advanced lithium battery packs help power appliances while reducing dependence on campground hookups. Many buyers will also appreciate onboard Wi-Fi capability, multiple USB-C charging ports, wireless charging pads, and several smart TVs positioned throughout the living space. Performance is expected to be one of this motorhome's strongest features. Industry expectations suggest that it could be powered by a powerful turbocharged inline-6 Hurricane engine or an updated heavy-duty diesel engine, delivering excellent torque for towing and mountain driving. Power will likely be sent through a smooth automatic transmission, while available four-wheel drive will provide added confidence on rough roads and in challenging weather conditions. Despite its large size, advanced suspension tuning and electronic stability systems should provide a comfortable ride with reduced body roll. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, trailer assist, 360-degree cameras, automatic emergency braking, and parking sensors are all expected to be available. Making this large vehicle easier and safer to drive. Fuel efficiency won't match smaller vehicles, but improved aerodynamics, lightweight construction, and more efficient engines should deliver better economy than many older motorhomes. Large fuel and freshwater tanks also allow for longer journeys between stops, making it an excellent choice for cross-country adventures. When it comes to pricing, The 2027 RAM Motorhome is expected to compete in the premium Class C and Super C motorhome segment. Industry estimates suggest the base model could start at around $180,000, while well-equipped luxury versions with upgraded interiors, solar packages, premium entertainment systems, and off-grid capabilities could exceed $280,000. Official pricing and specifications will ultimately depend on RAM's final production plans and available trim levels. Overall, the 2027 RAM Motorhome appears to be an exciting combination of rugged truck capability and luxury RV living. Its bold styling, spacious interior, advanced technology, powerful performance, and premium comfort make it an appealing choice for families, retirees, and adventure seekers who want to explore the open road without giving up the comforts of home. If RAM brings this impressive motorhome to market with the features enthusiasts are expecting, it could become one of the standout recreational vehicles of 2027. Thanks for watching Turbo Driver. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest automotive reviews and future motorhome showcases. Until next time, drive safe and keep exploring.